Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're dreaming of a European adventure, Germany should be at the top of your list. Today, I'm taking you on a quick journey through some must-visit places in Germany that you absolutely can't miss. Buckle up and let's dive in. First stop, Berlin. This vibrant capital city is brimming with history and culture. From the remnants of the Berlin Wall to the grandeur of Brandenburg Gate, Berlin offers a fascinating blend of the past and present. Don't forget to explore the artistic vibe in neighborhoods like Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain. Next up, Munich. Famous for its Oktoberfest, Munich is a city where tradition meets modernity. Wander through Marienplatz, visit the opulent Nymphenburg Palace, and if you're a car enthusiast, the BMW Museum is a must-see. And of course, savor a pretzel with your beer in one of the city's historic beer gardens. Moving on to the Romantic Road, a scenic route that takes you through charming medieval towns and picturesque landscapes. Rothenburg ob der Tauber is a highlight, with its well-preserved old town that looks straight out of a fairy tale. It's perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. Now let's head to the Black Forest. Think dense woodlands, enchanting villages, and that irresistible Black Forest cake. Freiburg is a great spot to see stunning waterfalls and traditional cuckoo clocks. Plus, the hiking opportunities here are just phenomenal. Don't miss out on Neuschwanstein Castle, the real-life inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Nestled in the Bavarian Alps, this 19th century masterpiece is a must-see. The views from the Marienbrücke Bridge are simply breathtaking. Hamburg, Germany's second-largest city, is next on our list. This port city is known for its maritime flair and vibrant nightlife. The Speicherstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is stunning with its red brick warehouses. And if you love music, a visit to the Elbphilharmonie Concert Hall is a must. Lastly, Dresden. Often called the Florence on the Elbe, this city is a treasure trove of Baroque architecture and art. The Zwinger Palace and Frauenkirche are absolute marvels, and don't miss the opportunity to stroll along the Elbe River banks. So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of Germany's must-visit places. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just in it for the food and beer, Germany has something for everyone. Time to start planning your trip. Happy travels. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in the next one.